Hi friends, today we're showing you guys these LED letter lights. Let's go ahead and open this up. It says more than 4 letters, you need the app to set up. You can adjust the color, so you can change the color however you want. So through all these different colors, this is more of a rainbow color. You can't really see it from far away on the camera, but it's a rainbow color, which is really cool. Oh, let's see what else we got here. You can lower the brightness or up the brightness. We have modes. Fading modes are always my favorite, so it just fades colors. Again, some of these modes are going to be hard for the camera to pick up, like this mode. Definitely hard for the camera to really pick up. You can kind of see it here. So just tons of different modes. Overall, really nice, guys. I love it.